Paying your mortgage using your American Express is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use your American Express to pay for your mortgages. So for that, you have to be at this website, which is americanexpress.com/us/credit-cards. And what it will do is it will take you to this website, which is telling you about the credit cards. So what you have to do is you just simply have to apply for any of the credit card that you can afford. You need to have a credit card to pay for your mortgages. So you need to create an account first, apply that, and you will get a credit card in few days. So you can simply use that credit card to pay for your mortgages. Everyone these days knows how to use your credit card to pay for your mortgages. So you just have to go to your company's, your mortgage company's website in order to pay that. So suppose I'm on this company, which is Cross Country Mortgages. You just have to click on this make a payment, and it will ask you for your login details. If you have a mortgage, you probably have login details of your website as well. After logging in, you can simply go to the payment section, and in the payment section, you can easily put the credit card for the payment. So you just have to put your credit card, which you will get after applying from this website, and your payment should be done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use American Express to pay for your mortgages. Hope you guys find this very helpful.